is we have already done discussing the basics of the network scheduling. Now, atong i-apply kaning si critical path analysis no, or the critical path method. Kay kato si kuan si CPM o si PERT, gagamit we have this network scheduling, di ba, the diagram, the network diagram. And then apply na to ni sila og concept ni CPM and then later ni PERT. Okay. The critical path for any network is the longest path through the entire network. So sa manit pasabutan ni. Diba, we have drawn the network. And then kada activities diba na number of days. Kung nasa tong path nga makatotal siya maximum number of days, that is the critical path. Nganong critical man na siya sir katong makahatag og longest number of days or duration. Nganong critical siya? It is because dapat kani nga projects dili na ma-extend kay sila may kinadugayan, no? Sila may makapataas sa project. So kung ma-extend pa na siya, samot ka dili ang project, man ay ang concept. That's why it is called the critical path. Okay, mala na yung concept. So thus if the project is to be completed in the shortest time, all activities on the critical path must be started as soon as possible to avoid delay. Kay madelay man ka if maliit ka ani. So these activities are called critical activities. So katong activities no nga along the way no the path that is the critical nga makapadugay sa project, we call them the critical activities. Dapat mahuman sila as soon as possible. Any delay in completing the critical activities will increase the project duration. Okay. The activity which does not lie on the critical path is called the non-critical activity. So, di ba, we have the network. And katong activity nga wala na align sa critical path, tawag ato nila is non-critical activity. So, dili gani non-critical activity, yun siya pasabutan ni. Pwede siya nga sayuhan mo pagsugod, pwede po siya maliit og sugod. That is the meaning of the non-critical activity. But kung mo nga critical siya nga activity, dapat sugdan gid siya diretso. Dili pwede nga maliit siya. That is the critical activities. So kaning non-critical activity nani sila ginatawag nga slack time no or float. Unsa man ang float sir or slack time? Kaning float or slack time mao ning mao ni ang time nga kato di ba ano ya? Di ba sa usa ka activity katong mga non-critical pwede man sila nga sugdan og sayo, pwede sa taud-taud na gamay but not too late. Nalay specific nga kuan lang gid nga pila lang ka number of days pwede siya ma-delay. So ang slack time mo ni siyang time nga pwede ma-delay ang starting ni project pero dili siya maka-affect sa overall completion ni project. We call that slack. Pero however, si katong critical activities wa gito sila slack pasabot dapat sugdan gyud mo siya aron dili ta ma-delay. That is the critical activity. So to reduce the overall project time, it would require more resources at extra cost to reduce the time taken by critical activities to complete. Okay, let's have the critical path analysis. So take note of these words how we have kaning TE and CTL. Unsa maning TE and TL? TE is the earliest expected time. TL is the latest allowable time. Latest is pinakalit ba? Mana siya ang TL. Latest nga allowable time kung pwede magsugod. So before the critical path in a network is determined, it is necessary to find the earliest and latest time of each event to know the earliest expected time at which activities originating from the event can be started and to know the latest allowable time at which activities terminating at the event can be completed. So, to get the earliest time, para makuha nato ning earliest expected time, magamit ang forward pass computation. Forward pass, o say forward pass ani. Sa usa ka network, ato nang isolve pa forward. Muriya na ra ang meaning ni forward pass. Para makuha nato si earliest time. So ato ning discuss later. Ano si backward pass, patras po na siya, di ba? We have the end event. paatrasad ka para pagkuha nimo sa ilang latest time. Mao po na siya si sa ni backward pass competition. So we'll have an example no to sa ni para makuha na to siya. And then we have this float and slack time. Same rin sila definition no. These are for the non-critical activities. So the float of an activity is the amount of time available by which it is possible to delay its completion time. So kaning float, this is the ano time no, number of days baka na pwede na to ma-delay. Pwede nga dili pa masugdan ang usa ka project. For example, lugar for example lang sa usa ka project, buta na to nga pwede na nimo masugdan ugma. And then ang deadline is next week or buta na to nga dapat mahuman gyud na siya, dapat dili mahuman pagka next week. So sa ato pa, and then iya ang duration mahuman na siya nimo, makahila na nimo og human for 1 day. So sa man na siya, for example sample na lang yun, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Ano na lang. Buta na to, ang deadline is sa Friday. And then, earliest time is, gihatag mo siya sa Monday. Sa to pa, pwede mo siya sugdan sa Monday. And then, makaya man mo siya, kuan lang, isa lang kaadlaw buhaton. So, unsa may pasabutan ni, pwede na siya nga, buhaton ni mo on Thursday, or on the day, sa Friday, basta di lang ka malit. So, ang katong days, na pwede ni mo siya i-delay, we call that the float. So, Monday to Thursday, 4 days, that is your float, no? Nag-delay ka na before ka nag-start sa project. So, that is the float. Now, how about if kinanglan siya 2 days to complete your assignment? Ano lugar? Example, alun mo sabtan ninyo. So, dapat, by Thursday, nahuman, nakasugod na ka, para pag Friday, nahuman na ka, say pasabot. So, iya pong float ani is, kani, no? These are the days nga pwede mo sa buhaton. That is the float, no? That is the concept of the float. Okay, the float and the slack, same na sila. So take note of these words. T gani gamay, that is the duration of activities, no? 1 day, 5 days. Ang TE, earliest expected time. TL, latest allowable time, pinaka-late nga time. ES, it is just the early start. EF, the early finish. So kung magsay kag sugod, sa'yo ka mahuman. LS, the late start. So kung late ka magsugod, dugay po siya mahuman. Late siya mahuman. And then we have the late finish. Ana, malin siya mga dumduman na to. And then, unsa man yung IJ, sir? That is, kung ano, the IJ is the between two events. I o si J, di ba, is the event. We represent si I o si J as our event. Ana lang na siya. So si ES is, kaning ES, IJ pasabot, the earliest time to start an activity from start to end of an event. So libog na siya, but let's have our kuan. Ano pa ni? Total float. Total float is the overall nga float, no? Number of days nga pwede di sugdan ko sa activity. And then free float, this is the time by which the completion of activity can be delayed from the earliest finish time without affecting the earliest start time of the succeeding activity. So, di ba, we have 2 activities. So, that, for example, si A o si B. Si A, and then we have si B. May nga kag free float, mo ni ang time ni A in which pwede siya ma-delayed, pero dili niya mapiktahan ang earliest start time ni activity B. That is the free float. Independent float, sa man independent float, sir, the amount of time by which the start of an activity can be delayed without affecting the earliest start time of any immediately following activities. So, kung si Kuan, kung si free float, maning yang sa free float po, yung consideration is the earliest finish time without affecting the earliest start time of the next succeeding activities. Iya po diri is ang dapat dili maapektuhan ang earliest start time sa succeeding activities, but gi-assume po niya nga the preceding activities, no, preceding gani is kato activity before the current activity is nahuman at its latest finish time. Sama pa di siya. The negative value of independent float is considered to be 0. Now, unsa man yung critical path? Di ba natin yung non-critical path? Ang critical path, kung siyang longest path part, no, which determines the total time duration of the project. So this is the critical path. So the following conditions must be satisfied in locating the critical path of a network. An activity is said to be both critical only if both the following conditions are satisfied. Kani, if ang early start, if the late start and the late finish, early start is equal to 0, sa ato pa, dili siya pwede malate og start. No? Ano siya? Same gani sila, sa ato pa, critical siya nga activity. Dapat siya late, dapat diretsyon siya sugod. And then this one also, no? The late start of the event J minus the duration minus the early start is equal to 0. So we'll be having an example of, for this one in the next video discussion. Aron mas masabtan na to siya.